Masak Khangdaba Asiba Hakchang Amadi makhong Khangdaba Meeoi Masak maming Khangdoknaba Biometrics technology Sijinnaragani haina Union Home Minister Amit Shah na phongdokkhre. Wafamasi India gi anauba criminal law ahum chalaibaga mari lainana National Crime Records Bureau NCRB gi oiba awang bathake ngasi pangthokhiba mifam amada mahakna phongdokhibani. Union Home Minister Amit Shah na mayai tangbal lauduna Union Home Secretary NCRB gi Director Ministry of Home Affairs amadi NIC gi senior official kayana saruk yaduna pangthokhiba awangba thaki mifam aduda Crime and Criminal Tracking Network and System CCTNS 2.0 National Automated Fingerprint NAFIS Prisons Courts Prosecution amadi Forensics asi Interoperable Criminal Justice System ICJS 2.0 da punsinduna salainabagi matangda kupna khanaki mifam aduda Union Home Minister Amit Shah na India gi anoba criminal law se ICJS 2.0 da mapung phana chalainaba pautak pibaga loinana saksya nyai shruti sign amadi saman cyber application singase leibak asigi Union Territory amadi state singda sijinnaragani khanganki Mifam aduda Union Home Minister Amit Shah na hai technical project sing paikhat pagamari lainana MHA amadi NCRB gi officers singi team singna Union Territory amadi state singda chatkadabani CCTNS amadi ICJS ki progress asi kupna yengshinaba senior police ki oiba interaction toina pangthokadabani Masak Khangdaba Asiba Hakchang Amadi makhong Khangdaba Meeoi singi masak maming Khangdoknaba Biometrics technology Sijinnaragani haina Union Home Minister makha taki